So this is a roll of microfiber rags, towels, cloths, as you may call them. And I really like the idea because I normally use like paper towels and stuff for all my basically cleaning in the kitchen and general house cleaning and stuff. And when I found this, I thought it was a great idea, great idea, because this will last me so long. And you just basically tear off a piece of the cloth that you need, like this, like how you'd with a paper towel. I'll keep this roll aside for further use, and I use this one piece. And I could wash this, use it over and over again. I could wash it and reuse it again, and it does a great job. Like for instance, as I'm cleaning this TV stand, normally I use my paper towel, and I find that when I use the paper towel, it leaves back like lint and stuff, and makes you feel as if it takes the process much longer to finish to clean. And with this rag, microfiber cloth rag, it does a great job. And like when I do my kitchen counter and stuff, it's nice and shiny and clean, and but not much effort. And I'm super happy. I have in the kitchen, I have one in my car, I have one in my bathroom. And again, like I said, I use them, I wash them. If I think I could reuse them again, I wash them and I reuse again, so it lasts me much longer. And the roll that I have, that will last me much longer than if I had purchased a few rolls of paper towels. I highly recommend this. I love them. It's a great idea. You must get yourself some.